I'd like to introduce Tinnisoothe, which is a really great masking device that you wear around your neck. So this is what it looks like. You put it on and when you switch it on, it emits a white noise sound, and you can control exactly how loud or soft it is according to your tinnitus. Basically, the direction of travel is slightly lower than your tinnitus, and you want to be bringing it down over a period of time. What's great about this is that it's around your neck, so you're not fiddling with your ears, you're leaving your ears alone, and it creates an ambient noise around you, which is much easier to manage. And then when you've finished with it, you put it into the charger, which you leave by your bed. And the moment you put it into the charger, it goes to nighttime mode. So you can have different settings for daytime or nighttime. And it's just a really great, nifty system that can help you in the first phase of tinnitus when you're going through the settling, which can be very up and down. And it can help take your mind off. It can help the mind habituate to the noise of the masker, and gradually you can lower it down further and further over a period of time. So I think this is much better than putting things inside your ears, which is quite intense, and it keeps you focused much more in the auditory system. I think generally anything that gives you more space, where you leave your ears alone and focus on other things, is much, much better. So if you click on the link beneath this video, there's a 10% discount there. I hope it helps you.